Hi, I'm Dr. Chad Larson. This week we discussed the power of berries. In particular, there's an interesting study that was done on berries for cardiovascular benefit. So what they did is they took, there's an animal model study where they took a bunch of rats that are engineered to develop hypertension or high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for pretty much most of the cardiovascular diseases that we're all familiar with, like strokes and heart attacks. So what they did is they gave these rats free access to berry juice. And what they found out is the more berry juice they consumed, the lower their inflammatory markers associated with heart disease went down. This is, I think, the first study of its kind where they did what's called an in vivo study, where you're analyzing this in a live animal model. But then, what's interesting and I guess a benefit of doing this kind of study in an animal model is that at the end of the study period, you could terminate the rats and you can do an analysis of their blood vessels. So when you have a look at their blood vessels, and they did some analysis of the cellular structure and sort of a cell analysis, they discovered that there were some very important inflammatory biomarkers that went down that are commonly associated with cardiovascular issues. So that was a really fascinating and very new study that was done. So it just makes us really appreciate the benefits of getting our fruits and berries. Berries are very, very rich in a nutrient called flavonoids. Flavonoids are what give berries their color and gives them some of their flavor. These plant pigments are where the antioxidants come from, and it's the antioxidants that give us all the health benefits, because what has been shown to really increase our risk of chronic disease is overload of free radicals. And free radicals can build up in the body and cause damage to our cells, which could eventually lead to major conditions like heart disease, cancer, strokes, and so forth. So if you fall a little short on getting your daily dose of flavonoid-rich berries, then I would recommend doing something like a high antioxidant berry drink, like New Green's berry. Other ones that are loaded with superfoods are the New Green's organic product. So these extra antioxidant supplements are very important for our fast-paced lifestyle that is often deficient in these really, really important nutrients. So have a look at those on the website, and as usual, give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.